Hi, Marathonians. Hello, mascots. How are you doing, everybody? So good to see you all. But this lecture especially is all for my girl students. So here I go. 5 things that every teenage girl, close to 18, 19 years of age, just about to go to college, needs to know. And now that I started Bharat Ki Beti, I'm sure you must be knowing about it. It's a community for women and girl empowerment that I've started. तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें मैंने लड़कियों से इंटरेक्ट करके सीखी which I would like to share with you. So here we go. Number one, most important thing for girls to do is to always remember that they're worthy. How much ever does a society tell you, how much ever do your family members tell you, how much ever do sometimes your friends, your teachers by mistake, or anybody tells you that you're a girl, this is not for you know, you cannot do this, you should not do it. Always remember you are enough, you are worthy, you are deserving, and you are every bit as important as anybody else. So, the most important thing, the first lesson, and the most important lesson I want girls to know is you are worthy for everything that life has to offer. You have an equal right for everything that you want to do. You have an equal right. There is nothing that you cannot achieve. There is nothing that you should not try to achieve. There is nothing that can stop you. You, my dear girls, are worthy. Lesson number one. Lesson number two. There will be times when people will put you down. There will be times when the world will tell you that this is not for you. This is something that you should not do. This is a boys' place. This is not your group. This particular job is not meant for girls. This particular place is unsafe for girls. So the second most important thing is there will be so many times that you will have to fight for yourself. You might have to fight for yourself sometimes once in a month, once in a week, and some of you might have to fight for yourself every single day for things that you want to do, for things that you know you should do, but the world tells you that these are not for you. Not supposed to do them. You have to act in a certain way. Remember, you're worthy, and remember, you have to fight for yourself. When you fight for yourself, you tell yourself that I'm not just fighting for myself. I'm fighting for the countless women who will come after me, who will look at me and get inspired, who will look at me and tell, अगर उसने किया था तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. So remember that the world is not just a happy, pretty place. There will constantly be people who will try and show you your place. Yes, we'll try to show you that this is something that girls should do. You have to fight, my dear girls. You have to stand up for yourself and you have to fight. So remember, you're worthy, and remember, the world is not a bed of roses. You're not a princess of some kingdom. You have to be a warrior. You have to fight for what you think is right. Number three, very, very, very important. There are no entitlements. There is nothing which will be offered to you. There are no free lunches in the world. Don't, expect the world to be fair, right? Expect the world to do everything for you, and at the same time, you go and say, I'm a girl, you're the ladies first, hey, say. So if you want people to look at you with equality, you give equality. So number three, equality is give and take. Don't get into entitlement. Don't feel that if you're a woman, people will do things for you. Don't feel that if you're a girl, things will become easier for you. So there are no free lunches. There are no entitlements. If you want equality, you have to be at par with the other sex. You have to do everything. Then don't look for easier way out. Remember that everybody's eyes will be on you. You've got to constantly, constantly, constantly uplift yourself. You have to do more. The fourth and most important thing for girls is don't ever give up on your education. Be it for a relationship, I see so many girls are always willing to sacrifice for their families, willing to sacrifice for a relationship, willing to sacrifice for a sibling. Fine, it's good to give, it's good to be kind, but don't ever give up on your education. How much ever you have to struggle, even if you have to walk kilometers to a school, walk to a college, somehow fund money and do things. Don't give up on your education. Remember, it is so important to be educated. If there is one thing which matters the most for you to become successful in this world, it is that education. So please कुछ भी करो, कहीं भी जाओ, जो मर्जी करो, don't ever give up on your education ever. It is something that you will fall back on. It is something which will, some rainy days when things will get difficult, when nothing will work your way, when you will not have any support system, it is your degree, it is your education which will fend you, which will keep you safe. And that brings me to the last and the final and the most important point, financially independent बनो बच्चों. कुछ भी करो. मैंने कितनी बच्चियों से बात की, आई कांट इवन बिगिन टू टेल यू, देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ देम. और जॉब्स करो, राइट? कुछ छोटा मोटा करो, गेट अ साइकिल फॉर योर सेल्फ, साइकिल अराउंड, किसी शॉप पे जाओ, थोड़ा टाइम वॉलंटियर करो, घर पे बैठ के 4 बच्चों को कोचिंग ले लो. इफ यू नो स्टिचिंग, स्विमिंग, डू दैट. Become financially independent. For that, your small things, you have to buy period pads, right? You have to buy done for the year, you have to buy some medicines, you want to eat something, you want a mobile recharge for, you don't have to ask for these small things to people. They will not say, अच्छा तुम तो यार यही करते रहते हो, waste करते हो पैसा and all of this. Become financially independent. कितना भी आपको स्ट्रगल करना पड़े, आपकी जेब में थोड़े से पैसे होंगे, you will get authority, you will be able to take your decisions, you will be able to forge ahead, you will be able to do things for yourself. So please make sure that you become financially independent. It is the most important thing. So these were my 5 specific message for girls. Girls, please spread this message far and wide, and please make sure that you listen to everything that I've told you. Boys, I have a very special request for you. Show this to your friends, show this to your sisters, show this to your mothers. Let's together make a beautiful, equal society. Take care. Bye. Take care.